Good morning everybody, new day here in Egypt, Sinai Peninsula, and I'm in the city of Dahab. Dahab is a city well known for diving and I'm here for 2 nights. My original plan was to go today in the morning at 10 for some diving initiation, but I could not go because it's a little complicated. A couple of weeks ago I had some kind of symptoms of COVID and I'm still coughing and sneezing, and if you want to do this professional diving you need to be perfectly fine, so I decided not to go in the morning. So I changed my plan, and today what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna show you a little of the city around of Dahab. Small city but very nice and very touristic too, because most of people come here to go to those camp where then after you go for diving. So it's really like diving here in Dahab. So a new day here, Dahab, Sinai, let's go! So let's start the day with a nice English breakfast here. No Egyptian breakfast for this morning. I'm here with bacon, eggs, bread and sausage mixed with a view on beautiful Dahab. Then after I'll show you the city. So this is Dahab. Here you have one of the beach front here, a lot of cafe, restaurants, and then you can walk here, and on the left you have restaurants, but you also have beach club. And as you can see here, people start to go on diving and they prepare their equipment to go there. So then when you walk a little in the direction of the seaside, you see more of those old complex of diving and also stays, so it's called the camp. And so you come here, you sleep the night and you do diving during the day. It's interesting, it's full of those small camp for diving, really if you love diving and probably if you love to make some kind of windsurfing, I guess you should come here because super windy and super clear water for diving. So I'm a little excited to go diving but still scared. So let's finish walking on this seaside and see what we have at the end. But I don't think there is too much around. It's really in the middle of the desert, this city, for people who want to dive. Look at the color of the water, it's amazing. It's mixed between super blue turquoise water and then after it's a little more dark where it's deep. I'm keep walking on the seaside. Just a quick update for you to know it's super windy, and I was talking with a guy from Russia, very interesting conversation. He's here for 12 years and explained to me it's always windy, and January, February are probably the 2 months where it's the coolest. So if you want to come here, believe me, it's already hot. I think it's hot, but if you want to have very warm water, come after in March, April. And the wind is always there anyway. So let's finish to walk, let's go to the end of the mountain, and then after we're gonna see what we do there. Probably have a small cafe or something. I'm not lying to you, look at the wind. It's super windy here. Okay, here is the sea, and at the end here, let's find a very good cup of Egyptian coffee now. Salam alaikum. Where I can go? Here? Here? I don't want a taxi. Let's wait a minute. So it was kind of some kind of crazy story, and there is some tension here between local people, Bedouin who claim the land, and the tourists. So just for you to know, if you come here, be aware that could be dangerous. I don't know. I almost wanted to go and to see them, the Bedouin, because I'm more interested by the local people, but that's just the story here. Be careful. Salam alaikum. Kawa? Kawa?
One kawa?
Kawa.
No, not here.
How to cook falafel in an Egyptian way. You do it good? So water, a little in your hand, And inside, what ingredients inside?
Beans. And put it in water 24 hours
24 hours.
before we mix it.
After you see it's like all green with
Become brown.
green, because very good English. And then after you take it, salt,
It's finished now.
it's finished. Shukran. Okay, bye. Ciao, ciao. Okay, I just progressed. Now I know how to make the falafel, the secret of the falafel. So after eating a nice falafel, not expensive, 35 Egyptian pound with coffee. So believe me, it's not expensive. So now I'm going back to the center and I think I will rest a little because I have to do the hiking at night and I will be a little tired. So let's go back to my hotel, rest, publish my video, upload and sleep. And then after tonight, in the next video, will be me going into the mountain of Mount Sinai. Mount Sinai hiking at night and seeing the beautiful like sunrise. So that's what I'm gonna do tonight. So video finish here. If you're new on the channel, more adventure soon on my channel. So don't forget to subscribe and see you around the world. Ciao!